Jidnyasa Mahajan, and today I am doing book flipping, and today I have done a new book.
Now tell me about the 10th chapter, Rivers of Earth, India.
In the Rivers of India chapter, it is told that how are rivers important to us. Our country has many rivers in it. Some are perennial and some are non-perennial rivers. And they have introduced us about the the Indus Basin and the Brahmaputra Basin, and on that page there is a diagram below, and there is even, it is told that how are the rivers formed. The river of Narmada flows to the the west side of the India, but though the India is like higher from west and lower from east, but how does it flow to the west of the India? And some of the rivers mix into the West Bengal side and merge to the Bay of Bengal, and some of the rivers merge to the Arabian Sea. Some rivers come from out of India, for example Brahmaputra, and some of the rivers go from India to outer countries, for example Indus River, and it has many subdivisions. For example, one of the division is Raju. It is also told that at the end of the river there is a little island type thing formed as delta, which is there is a delta in the Ganga